What's up guys, come back to our channel. If you're new here, my name is Abra
And my name is Aloo.
Today we are going to do a cooking video. So we are going to cook aloo paratha. So guys, in some parts we're going to take our parents' help. If it's like we're supposed to fry like that. So yeah, let's start it. So guys, you gotta take potato, put it in the cooker, put water and salt and boil it. Coriander, chilies and spring onions. So then you have to cut them. So I'm going to take my parents' help to cut it. So let's show you this in time lapse. Flour, 1 spoon of salt, 2 tablespoons of oil. Guys, you need a 3/4 cup of milk and you got to pour it in it. Okay. This water is required for kneading. So let's show you this in time lapse. Guys, the flour is ready. So keep it aside and let's do the other part. Guys, you got to peel the potato and then you got to smash it. So let's do this. Now we are going to smash the potato. So let's smash it. We're going to put it in the potato, in the mashed potato. All the ingredients. If you are using these 3 ingredients only, if you want, you can like put garam masala. Because we like this way, we are not putting the garam masala. And yeah. So guys, and mix it. So keep it aside after mixing it. You have to make a small portion like this, which have to look, guys. And yeah, small portion, flatten it up and then put a potato in it, mashed potato. And then try this. You can use how much you want. We are taking a little bit because we like little potato in our aloo paratha. Guys, you got to take a tawa to fry it. Guys, now we are going to roll it. Roll it, roll it. So the potato is also getting mashed while doing this too. More mashed. What are you doing? So guys, you have to not make it too thick or not too thin, like medium size. I shouldn't like this. See. So guys, to fry it, you can use ghee or butter, like as you wish. So we are using ghee to do it as per your taste, like. And yeah. Is ready to eat. So let's taste it, guys. It's like so hot. So guys, it's ready. So let's eat it and let's do the taste test. And we're gonna rate it how it tastes. Okay, so let's test it. Oh, it's so hot. Guys, it's really hot. Okay. Okay. So guys, we are using sauce because we like it to eat with sauce. With ketchup. It is awesome. 10 on 10, guys. 10 on 10. So guys, hope you enjoyed our video. Please like, share and subscribe to our channel. And don't forget to turn on the post notification that you get notified every time we upload a new video. So guys, we are so close to 200 subscribers. Let's get it to 200 subscribers. So if you want more cooking videos, comment down below. So stay tuned for next video. Bye.